N E S E H. Excuse me. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. But what are you doing with the baby? Baby girl. Yeah, but why are you hitting the baby? No hat. Love. This is not love. You are just smashing the baby like. No, baby barn. We make a head, nose. Are you Muslim, yeah? Muslim. Alhamdulillah. Allah already made the head and nose. You don't need to torture the baby. Come on. No interference, me and my baby, yeah? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Can I ask you a question? Yeah. So why your nose is still so big then? Yes, big nose.